Welcome back, editors. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create the trending skull face emoji edit, a style that's going viral on both Instagram and YouTube right now. In this video, I'll not only show you how to make the edit step by step, but also how to do the perfect color grading to make your edit stand out. And that's not all. I'll also reveal a powerful YouTube secret that can help you get millions of views on your shorts. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into it.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
First, open your YouTube studio. Then, select the Shorts video that didn't get many views, the one you feel still has potential to go viral. After that, change the title and description of that video. Important, do this only after 6 hours of uploading the video. If your shorts get a good amount of views within those first 6 hours, don't make any changes. But if your video doesn't get views in those 6 hours, go ahead and change the title and description. Then, wait 3 more hours. If it still doesn't start getting views, change the title, description, and thumbnail again. You can do this method for both shorts and long-form videos. This is the exact method I use, just like I'm showing you. And that's the secret I use to get almost 9,000 views on every video. Also, if this trick still doesn't work for you, then focus on improving your editing and content quality. Try this trick, it will definitely help.